Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, and today we've got a sizzling topic to delve into. We're going to uncover some little-known facts about the mouth-watering world of Brazilian churrasco. So, if you're a fan of grilling, juicy meats, and tantalizing flavors, you're in for a treat. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's get started. The origins. To truly appreciate Brazilian churrasco, you've got to understand its roots. Churrasco, the Brazilian barbecue tradition, actually has its origins in the southern region of Brazil, in places like Rio Grande do Sul. It's heavily influenced by the gaucho culture, the South American equivalent of cowboys. The meats. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, the meats. Brazilian churrasco is all about using high-quality cuts of meat. You'll find a wide variety, from picanha, the top sirloin cap, to sausage, chicken hearts, and more. These cuts are usually seasoned with just a pinch of rock salt, allowing the natural flavors to shine. The skewers. The method of cooking is equally important. Brazilians use long metal skewers to cook the meat over an open flame. This method is known as espeto corrido, or continuous skewer. The skewers are often rotated to ensure even cooking and a delicious smoky flavor. The secret sauce. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce of Brazilian churrasco, chimichurri. This zesty green sauce is a blend of parsley, garlic, vinegar, and olive oil. It adds a burst of flavor to the grilled meats, making every bite a taste explosion. The social experience. Brazilian churrasco is not just about food, it's a social experience. Friends and family gather around the grill, sharing stories, laughter, and, of course, great food. It's a time-honored tradition that brings people together. Caipirinha. And, of course, you can't talk about Brazilian churrasco without mentioning the iconic caipirinha. This cocktail, made with cachaça, sugar, and lime, is the perfect companion to your churrasco feast. It adds a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the meat. Regional variations. Brazilian churrasco isn't the same everywhere in the country. There are regional variations that reflect the diverse culinary traditions across Brazil. For example, in the south, you'll find a strong influence of the gaucho culture, with a focus on beef and simple seasonings. In the north, they may use tropical fruits and indigenous spices to create unique churrasco flavors. The churrascaria. A key element of Brazilian churrasco is the churrascaria, a specially designed barbecue pit. It's often made of brick and clay, allowing for better temperature control and flavor infusion. The churrascaria is a crucial component in achieving that authentic churrasco taste. The parrilla style. Brazilian churrasco has a cuisine in Argentina known as asado. In Argentina, they cook meat on a grill called a parrilla. While there are similarities, there are distinct differences in the cuts of meat, seasoning, and even the way it's served. It's fascinating how churrasco can vary from one country to another, despite sharing common roots. Vegetarian options. While churrasco is primarily known for its meat-centric dishes, there's room for vegetarians and vegans too. Grilled vegetables like bell peppers, eggplant, and portobello mushrooms can be marinated and cooked on the same skewers, providing a delicious meat-free alternative. Sunday tradition. In Brazil, churrasco often takes place on Sundays, making it a beloved tradition. Families and friends come together, making it a weekly celebration of food and togetherness. It's not just a meal, it's a cherished social event. Guarana and açaí. To complete your Brazilian churrasco experience, don't forget to try some traditional Brazilian beverages and desserts. Guarana, a popular soda, and açaí, a superfood berry, are commonly enjoyed to complement the rich flavors of the barbecue. Worldwide influence. Brazilian churrasco has gained international acclaim, with churrascarias, Brazilian barbecue restaurants, popping up worldwide. People from different countries can now savor the unique flavors and social experience that churrasco offers. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the world of Brazilian churrasco. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss another delicious episode. Until next time, keep on grilling, and stay curious. Cheers!